in simpler set form. So here we have square root of 75, we have cube root of 48 to the power -1. So you have to write this in a fraction. So in order for you to actually simplify the set, in a nice way. So I copy everything, which is equals to 75 times cube root of 1/48. Cube root 1/48. And then you're done with the first step. So now we are moving on to actually. So what are 75 is cos, right? You get a 3. You get a 3 times 25 times square root of 3 1/48. So this square root of 1/48 will change to square root of 3 1 and square root of 3/48. So this one does not necessarily required, like in this one, no. So you write it like this, not like this, like this. We change this one to this one. This one is changed. It is the rule of the set. So let's move forward. So we have 3 times 25 and also 3 1 3 48. So it's equals to 3 times 25 times 1 all over 3/48. We're moving on with 3 times 25 and then times 1 over cube root of, so 48 is equals to 55. You get a 4, you get a 3 times 60. So cube root of 3 times the 16. We're moving forward. So we also have we also have to actually do 25 is equals to, it's gonna give you 3 times 5 squared times 1 over cube root of 3 times 2/4. So we're gonna use we're gonna split everything before we calculate. So 3 times 5 squared times 1 over cube root of 3 times cube root of 4 of 2 to the 4. So I've taken this cube root and split it, and then I split the set. So why did I write cube root and cube root? Because it is the rule of what? Of a set. The rule of a set is if you have these numbers like this and the degree, which means that the degree have to be the same in both numbers, which is the degree. 3 is the same the degree and the degree are the same because they are like terms. They are like terms. They are like terms. They are like sad, not like terms. They are like sad. They are both like sad, so they have to share the same degree. So let's move forward. 3 times, you're going to get a 5, and then times 1. So cube root of 3, you should get it that one, and also cube root of 3, and then 2, 1. You get it like that, 3 and 2, 4. So we're gonna use the rule of BODMAS form. A BODMAS form said we must first start with the bracket numbers that are inside the bracket, and then we actually do the division. After that, we multiply, we add and subtract. So let's imagine we have 1 here and also 1. So we have the whole 1. So we're gonna say that 5. So we start with them in a BODMAS form. We will start brackets, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So you can see this times this. You're gonna multiply this and this, and you get a 5. And then you'll be like 3 squared times 5. You get a 5 and 3. Which in case you now get it like 5 and 3, which will have an invisible one, which in case is like times 1 square and 3, cube root times cube root of 2 and 4. So you multiply this and this, 1, 5 and 3. So 5 and root of 3, you multiply it by 1, you get this answer, and then you multiply 1 by this, you get the same answer, which is cube root of 3 times cube root of 2 and 4. Therefore the answer is this one. So this is our answer. So we leave it as it is. We leave it as it is. It cannot be factorized. It cannot be simplified any further. It cannot be simplified any further. This is our answer.